everybody, Maxamonte 15 and 16 Productions, you're back again. So today I'm going to be doing a mega extensive review on all of my battery powered engines that I own. So yeah. Anyway, I'm going to be doing it in 4 different parts. The first part's going to be covering Thomas, Percy, and Toby. Second part will cover James, Gordon, and Spencer. Third part will cover Victor, Hero, and Diesel. And the fourth part will cover Salty and Lady. I already know I did Lady, like, in my actual, like, Wouldn't Really Lady review, and I'm going to go more in depth. So anyway, let's begin. The Mattel battery-operated range first started in the year 2013 when Mattel took over the line. They had complete redesigns from their older models, now being a little bit fatter, definitely huge faces on some of the models. I mean, gosh, look at Gordon. Anyway, they had some pretty nice models in 2013, having Thomas, Percy, Diesel, and James, as well as Hero. Later in 2014, they had Toby and Spencer. In 2015, we got Gordon, and in 2015, we got Gordon and Salty, and then in 2016, we got Victor, and there are no new ones for 2017. And yeah, Ladies from a different range, but whatever. Anyway, Thomas and Percy were both introduced in 2013, and that's when I got them both. The paint on the faces kind of wipes off a little bit because, like, I've, like, barely, like, roughed around with these things, and, like, Percy's, like, his eyebrows are, like, completely gone. And Diesel's are starting to fade, and one of Thomas's is already faded. So, yeah, that's unfortunate. Anyway, I really like this Thomas, as it's quite heavy. It actually has really quality metal. I like how these newer ones have names on the bottom, whereas the older versions do not. So yeah, another thing, these guys are kind of slow, which I'm not really a fan of that, but whatever. I mean, I like how this Thomas has a running board, and they have painted buffers at the front. Actually, all of them do. Well, not painted, but they all have molded buffers at the front, which most Wouldn't Really items don't even have that, which is a pretty nice detail in my opinion. They both have amazing detail, I think, and they're pretty cool for your collection. Anyway, now that I got those two going along the rails, let's get Toby. Toby, I think, is one of my favorites. I mean, he has a different colored undercarriage than the rest of them do. And he has a special button right here, which is a line. I'm not sure what this is called, instead of the actual button. It has this funnel on top. I mean, this thing's actually pretty heavy and fat, too. Sorry, Toby. Anyway, he's got an amazing face, I think. And honestly, I mean, that's quality right there. I mean, that's not painted. That's actually part of the mold, which I think is really cool. Anyway, he has a molded lamp at the back, as well as the front, and even windows, which I just think is astonishing for detail on an item. Anyway, these three I'd say are my slowest ones. They're not that fast, but whatever, they're still pretty cool. Anyway, thanks for watching part 1, and I'll see you guys in part 2. Anyway, goodbye for now.